to last class we have finished our first unit, and let us start our second unit here. The heading is logical reasoning. So still we have seen the problem solving. So problem solving, whatever the methodologies that we have, and how we are going to identifying the problem, and whatever the algorithms that are help us to recognize the problems. So these are the topics which we have covered in our first unit. So our second unit syllabus is second unit is logical reasoning. So in this we will see so how logically we can able to think like a how machine will able to think like a human. So there is a logical thinking or logical reasoning. So we can see in our first unit. So under that our first topic is a so logical agent or model based agent. So logical agent or a model based agent. So here how the machine will think, which is quite similar to that human brain. That is the flow diagram. So let me assume here the agent is here. So this one is a natural environment. So in the environment we are picking a from the environment we are picking the data through the sensors, right? So through the sensor we are getting the data. Then how the agent will work logically, how it will work, and how the agent will form in a structure. So in this we will find the different blocks under the agent. So first one we can see what the world is likes now. The sensor will send the information. That information passed to the what at the world is likes now. So from that it state goes to the state. So next block is what it will be like if I do a action A. So if I take the action A, so what is the response it will come? And so from here how the world involves. So in that criteria how the world has been involved in how the way they are giving the solutions, how the world is giving the solutions to the particular problems. So for that as a agent what kind of action I can prefer. So that is what is my action do. So what it will be like if I do a action A. So in such a cases, so what is our goal here? Goal has to be set. The goal is synchronized to the when the action should do now. So the goal and action be same. So then activators again it passes to the response to the environment. So this is the logical agent model. It's a model of It's a model of logical agent. See, see here. First of all, through the sensors, it can get it can be able to getting the data from the environment. So based on the sensor, the agent will structuring one model. So model based agent can be there. So it can be comparable how the world has been taken. So if the situation, if the problem is comes, how the world have been involving in that problem. So the all the staircases has been noted down. So from that how the action will come if I do a action any. So what it will be like if I do an action. So if I do an action what the response will come. So lateral it compares to the result value to the action value. So both the result and action will the same fight manner. So that results will pass to the environment. So it's a logical a model based agent. So this agent will take the decisions like humans. See, our next one is a it's a knowledge and a reasoning. So next, so our unit itself it says that logical reasoning. So logical reasoning. So let us define knowledge on the reasoning. The humans are very good acquiring a new information by combining a raw knowledge and experience with the reasoning. See, right? So actually, some item has to be involved, or some item something has to be introduced into the
society are introduced into the science side means definitely human beings are acquiring a knowledge from the existed one, and it has to taking a raw data as a raw data from the existing knowledge, and it will doing some research, and it will find some new thing to the society. In such a way, the humans are very good at acquiring a new information by combining a raw knowledge, experience with the reasoning. So artificial intelligence slogan is a knowledge is power, a data is power. See, for example, how the human beings are acquiring the knowledge that we'll see. So, for example, let you consider the medical diagnosis. Let you consider a medical diagnosis. So, there the physician diagnosing a patient infers what disease based on the knowledge he or she acquired as a student or a textbooks or from the prior cases. See here, he is considering one example, so that he is taking from the medical diagnosis is a model, example model. So where the physician diagnosing a patient disease with the help of the previous knowledge, or with the help of the textbooks, or with the help of the prior knowledge acquired as he as a student, or sometimes he got acquired the knowledge with the help of the prior cases. So these are the raw material or raw knowledge, we can say it is a raw knowledge which helped his to recognize a problem or recognizing a disease. That is the example of logical reasoning. So next, common sensing knowledge or reasoning. The common everyday assumptions or inferences. For example, lecture starts at 4 infer PM, not an AM. When traveling, I assume there is a some way to get from the airport to the hotel. So, for example, he is saying he can be assumed there will be a path, so he can be found to travel from the airport to the hotel. So, these are the examples of acquiring a knowledge with the help of the existed knowledge or existed data. See, we to define what is a logical agent. So, agent with some representation of the complex knowledge about the world. See, agent with some representation of the complex knowledge about the world or its environment, and uses inference to derive a new information from that knowledge combined with a new input. See here, the agent with some representation of the complex knowledge about the world and its environment, and uses the inferences to derive a new information from that knowledge, combining with the new inputs. For example, if you want to doing some research means you have to get some knowledge based on the existed things, and you are doing some assumptions based on the existed things. That assumptions has to be incorporated with the existed knowledge, then you will recognize the new problem. So that kind of environment will be, so for that you are assigning a right. Sorry for disturbance. See here, logical agent in such a way he has been working on the new ideas or innovative ideas. So key issues here: representation of a knowledge with a form, meaning or semantics, or reasoning and inference process efficiency, which means that inference is nothing but, so whatever the gaps that you have recognized from the existing knowledge, that you are going to attach with the attaching or recognizing the new problem. So that is called as an inferences. So finally, what is he doing means logical agent. So it is representation of the complex knowledge about the world or the environment, and uses the inferences to derive a new information. So from that knowledge, that is, he is getting the knowledge from the existed methods, from the existed methods, and combining the some inferences to the existed knowledge, and he is retrieving the new things to the out. So for that, it may incorporate a new inputs. It will provide a perception of knowledge. See, next one is the representation of the knowledge, reasoning process. So these two are the key issues here: representation of the knowledge and the key issues. So key issues here: representation of the knowledge, so knowledge based, and reasoning process means inferences or reasoning. So representation of the knowledge means a knowledge based, whatever the data we have studied, so that data we can have a knowledge in our, or it's a known thing and a knowledge known one. So the reasoning process means, so to the known one we are going to finding some inferences. That inferences is going to be attached with my knowledge data. See here, knowledge base is equals to set of sentences in a formal language representing in fact about the world. So whatever the fact is going on, that fact can be represented in terms of sentences, in terms of formal sentences. That is a knowledge base. And second one, see here, key aspects here. See, key aspects here: how to add sentences to the knowledge base and how to query the knowledge base. The both the task may involve inferences, that is, how to drive a new sentences from the old sentences. See, how to drive a new sentences from the old sentences, that is a key role. So logical agent inference they must obey the fundamental requirement that when one asks a question to the knowledge base, the answer should be follow from the what has been told to the what has been told to the knowledge base previously. In other words, the inference process should not make a things up. So which means that whenever, so the inference is the knowledge based aspects are the logical agent. What he is doing mainly, he is taking the data from the existed one, and he's is a perception as, and he's taking out the inferences. The inferences has to be attached with my existing system to provide a new idea or a new innovation idea. So in that, whenever that inferences must be, somebody is asked you to technically, so you have to answer so in a such a same way for the knowledge base only, and we cannot say the answers so like we are make up thing. So in such fear, so they cannot able to, so they cannot see in our faces, which means that somebody, so you have framed one inferences with the help of the existed one. So and somebody came to you that he is a knowledge in that domain, he asked you that, so can you explain the concept, means you have to answer technically as well as the inference based. At the time you cannot give a make up answers to that person. So that is the logical agent has to do. That is a fundamental requirement. So inference engine and knowledge base. See here, domain independent algorithms and domain specific contents. And next see here, for example, knowledge based agent. So function AB, the agent must be able to represent the state and action. So what the responsibilities that agent has to take means, here is the responsibilities. The agent must be able to represent the state as well as the action, incorporate a new perception, which means that new ideology has to be incorporate with existed one, and update internal representation of the world, update the internal representation of the world, and deduce hidden properties of the world, deduce the appropriate actions. So these are all the logical agent responsibilities. See, logical language we can able to combine with the logical inferences mechanism. How close the human through means mental models and Johnson Laird. What is the language of thought, and why not use the natural language in English? See here, so we want a clear syntax and semantics, as well as for mechanism infer a new information, use the formal language. So this is about logical agent concept. This is the first concept in our second unit, logical agent. See here, sir, once again I am recalling you. So our second is the logical reasoning. In that we can see the logical agent is the first concept. So how the logical agent is getting the data from the environment means, so through the sensors it can get the information, it can mold the information, it will provide a response to the environment. How the human thinks, the action should be similar to the how if the human takes and decisions. Such the same way logical agent also has given the response to the environment. So for that, the knowledge and reasoning, the humans are very good at acquiring the knowledge and information, combining the raw knowledge and experience with the reasoning. So for example, diagnosing of diagnostic physician diagnosis. So if you go for the doctor, so if you go for a physician can able to get the information based on the prior knowledge or based on the studied knowledge when he was a student, and based on his previous experience also, it will helped him to recognizing the diagnosis. A logical agent is a definition. So agent with some representation of the complex knowledge about the world and its environment, and uses the inferences that derive a new information from that knowledge, combining with the new inputs. So for example, a logical agent, he has to taking the knowledge from the studied information, as well as the from some inferences has to be framed. So those inferences can be involved in the existing knowledge to be create a new ideas or new combined with the new inputs. So the new inputs, so for the perception inputs, he can able to get a new things with the help of the inferences attached with the existed knowledge. So here the key issues are representation of the knowledge and reasoning process. So knowledge based as well as the reasoning, inferences reasoning. So whenever somebody can ask you to find, so logical answer we have to give. We cannot able to escape from their questions, and also we cannot able to give the makeup answers. So somebody asked the technically, so which means that we have to give the answers technically, as well as the proved knowledge based answers only we have to reflect for that particular question, and we cannot have a makeup oriented answers for that questions. So the agent has to be following the following, has to be follow the state representation and the action, incorporate the new perceptions, and update the internal representations of the world, as well as they deduce the hidden properties of the world and deduce the appropriate actions. So these are all the logical agent responsibilities. So this is the first concept in our second unit. So you have any doubts? Let we discuss. Otherwise, we can leave the session. You have any doubts? You can raise. Any queries?